Hello friends, very good morning. This is the Ballari rider Avinash. Welcome to another log. As you can see, this is a truck has been fallen down in the gutter. This auto has stopped his auto in the middle of the road and he is turning. He is carrying the pineapple. Some customer is ready to purchase something. Well, I think he is asking some rate. Okay, let's move. The truck still fallen down in the gutter. This bus driver is still giving a change for the passengers. In the middle of the road, bus has been stopped. Very bad thing. Yes guys, I got a little bit cold and cough. Yesterday it was rained. Okay, take a look on the Tata AC and four-wheeler TVS Jupiter, I think. Got little bit crash. Come on, take a look on that. Yes, now see, take a look. Oh yes guys, it was said I was riding the bike in rain yesterday. See, I was riding the bike for the first time in rain with the camera. After long days, I have enjoyed my ride in rain. It was pretty awesome. I was feeling very bad why I did not go in rain for long days. And today I got the chance and I have took the ride in rain. Wow. Look at the Royal Circle. City of iron and steel. Wow. In this rain, I thought to have some Halim in coalbazar. So I just went to have some Halim in coalbazar. Come on, take a look on this. I'll show you in the next scene. Come on guys, let us have some yummy Halim in coalbazar. It is Ramzan special and it is made in only Ramzan season. Chicken will be boiled for 6 to 8 hours to make Halim. It tastes pretty good. Come on, take a look on this Halim. So yummy. Wow. It is very famous in Ballari, in coalbazar. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. God bless you and all. Be happy. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. God bless you and all. Be happy.